Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to authenticate your GitHub account. Proper authentication ensures your account is secure, protecting your repositories and coding projects. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. On the homepage, click the Sign In button in the top right corner, enter your registered email or username and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, complete the verification process. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once logged in, click your profile icon at the top right and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In Settings, click Password and Authentication to access the authentication options. GitHub provides several authentication methods, including SMS authentication, authenticator apps like Google Authenticator, or Authy hardware security tokens. Choose the method that is most convenient and reliable for you. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your chosen method, for example, entering a code sent via SMS or confirming through your Authenticator app. Once verified, your GitHub account is fully authenticated and secured. You can always return to settings to change or update your authentication method as needed. And that's it. By following these steps, your account is protected, allowing you to focus on building, collaborating, and managing repositories safely. Thanks for watching.